So, first of all, what we need to learn about this exam is that this exam is not about the theory itself. So the exam, Advanced Performance Management, is not the same as Strategic Business Leader exam. And I want to stress it because there are many students who come after Strategic Business Leader exam and they look at the theoretical part and they're like, oh, I know that building block model. Oh, I know that balanced scorecard. And then they are trying to talk about these models from the perspective of Strategic Business Leader. But you know what? The examiner has a study plan for you, and this study plan covers a set number of exams. And there is just no use for the examiner to test the same knowledge in 2 different exams. So there is no use for the examiner, for like the examination team ACCA, to test how the models work in Advanced Performance Management exam. Instead of actually applying this model and tell the company what to do, we need to talk about the models from management point of view. So how does this model impact on performance management?